Mingalaba. I am Shuyang and 20 years old. I am third year student of English major. I am proud to represent my city, a place full of vibrant energy, diversity, and strong spirit. One of my greatest passions is listening to music, as it brings me peace, inspiration, and the motivation to keep moving forward, no matter the challenges I face. I joined this competition not only to represent Yangon East with pride, but also because of my strong passion and determination to grow, to challenge myself and to become a better version of who I am. I believe that this platform gives me the opportunity to express my voice, share my story, and inspire others, especially young women, to follow their dreams with confidence. With a passionate heart and a strong sense of purpose, I'm here to embrace this journey, represent my city with dignity, and make a positive impact. Thank you.